on this, okay? And then blow out until I tell you to stop, okay? Okay, and go. Keep going, stop. Okay, sir. Do you want to just step out the vehicle for me? All right, sir. So you've blown 84, okay? Legal limit is 35.
Okay, yeah.
All right. So at this moment in time, you're under arrest on suspicion of drink driving. Do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence, and you do not mention when questioned. Don't usually later line of court. Anything you do say may be given evidence.
Spoke last night.
No, I stayed in an hotel. I went to get vodka about 2 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, it's the thing people don't realise. They think they have a sleep and then they're sober enough to drive. Because you wake up and you feel fine, but it's still in your system, you know?
Yeah, it's fine.
Did you drink this morning then or last night?
2 o'clock this morning, last one.